On behalf of our team, we are excited to present this short feature of our project. Clinical practice guidelines are considered the most rigorous and least biased evidence available to guide healthcare decisions. Although these guidelines are commonly deemed the gold standard to inform clinical decisions, reports show that rigor is not always achieved. This sparked the interest of our interprofessional team members who value the use of quality evidence to support decision-making in practice. We recognized, due to the global COVID-19 pandemic, a new vulnerable population has emerged. Previously healthy adults and younger adults are now at risk for bacterial pneumonia. This is due to COVID-related parenchymal lung changes and fibrosis. We believe the incidence of bacterial pneumonia in adults will surge in the future. Clinicians need the best available evidence for clinical decision-making. In our ongoing intense collaboration on quality, our team kept returning to the methodology associated with guideline development. Rigor underpins the overall strength of recommendations and gives confidence to the end user in utilizing the clinical guidelines. Similarly, we recognize reporting quality is vital to assist practitioners in selecting guidelines for use. We realized a scoping review was needed to gauge the quality of existing clinical practice guidelines, as these authoritative sources affect decisions on care and ultimately outcomes for patients, providers, and organizations around the world. To focus our review, the team selected clinical practice guidelines for adults hospitalized with bacterial pneumonia. Our team is now executing the JBI methodology for scoping reviews. More specifically, we are taking 5 steps to ensure valid results. We are drawing upon the strengths of our research team, which include a physician, a researcher, a review methodologist, and a library scientist. We are conducting a robust search on 8 databases and documenting results to promote transparency and reproducibility. Using the AAFP definition of clinical practice guideline, we are searching for guidelines endorsed by specialty organizations and international guideline groups. We are utilizing a 3-step search strategy for clinical practice guidelines that are dated 2017 to present in any language. After completing this phase of the project, we will engage in a 2-step screening process to identify eligible clinical practice guidelines based on clearly defined inclusion and exclusion criteria. Our plan is to assign 3 reviewers to independently extract data using proven instruments for data collection. They include Web of Science bibliometric analytics, the agreed-to instrument used to measure methodological rigor during the development process, and the right checklist to determine reporting quality. In addition, 4 criteria from an additional tool, the Agree reporting checklist, will also be used to round out data extraction on reporting quality. Our team is excited about conducting this review. We believe it will make a meaningful contribution to evidence synthesis science, set metrics for improvement when creating new and updating previous guidelines, and ease some of the burden clinicians experience when searching for high-quality evidence. Thank you so much for this opportunity to feature.